Alright, hello everybody, I'm Loaf, and today we're back with another episode of Better Than Adventure. I do have some unfortunate news. I did record an episode between where I'm at now and where we finished last time. However, let's just say the recording didn't go well. There was an error with OBS, but I'll fill you in. We got to this very cool cave. There's this big pit of lava beneath me. We've got some gold, redstone, some diamonds. Where did I come in? It wasn't down here, was it? No. Where did I come in? Was it down here? I can't remember. We'll find our way back. In the meantime, here it was. So, just a short description of what happened. I dug. Oop, sorry about that. I dug to the bottom of the cave here. We've reached bedrock, so I decided to do the tried and true Y12, but I guess this is Y14. And we can tell that because I crafted these nifty tools. So I now know what time of day it is, thanks to the clock. I know where I am because of the compass. And I now know what time of day it is because of the calendar. The calendar is pretty cool because it tells me what season I'm in. And I think it also tells me what biome I'm in. And the weather. So yeah, that's interesting. Then we reach this cave, and going this way, there was sort of slime dripping from the ceiling, and I was trying to figure out what that was. Investigate. I left this note for me. I did a little bit of research on it. The best I could come up with is it's probably an indicator for slime chunks. So, who knows? Maybe I'll make a slime farm in the future. But in the meantime, we've still got a lot of work to do in this cave. Lots of nice resources to exploit. Like redstone. Can I make redstone bricks? No. What do I use redstone for? Redstone block? Compass? I don't know what this is. That's clearly quartz, I think. And there's spikes as well, which is interesting. And there's something that way, so we'll make a crafting bench. And I think I'll go all out. I think I'm going to invest in a diamond shovel. So, we'll do that. And we'll pick it up. And let's go on our way. So fast, it's wonderful. More cloth. Not much this way. What is cloth used for? Like, it's used to beds, flag, wither, stool. I've already made a stool. Maybe I'll try and make a flag. I think I've explored this cave well enough. Maybe there's a big part that I've missed. Who knows? But I'm well equipped, because look at all this swag that I got. All the armor. So, we've done that. We've got plenty of coal in our furnace thanks to this cave. There's no iron hiding from me as far as I'm aware. I think I was yet to explore. No, I did explore that way. I don't know what I'm missing. Guess I'll just pick up some coal and then we'll head back to surface. Be nice to find a desert or something. Or I think the Nether might be the next endeavor that we go on. Shouldn't take that long. So, yeah, again, sorry for the footage for yesterday being poor. If I'm bothered to do some editing, I'll make sure to put like a screenshot of what that looked like and how boring that would be for all of you, I'm sure. But for now, we're here in this moment playing Minecraft. Better than adventure. So we'll just smelt this and we'll take a look outside since it's been a while since we've been here as the sun sets. I think I might use this as an opportunity to try and get some string because I don't have any string yet. Also might light up the outside of my house. My beautiful, beautiful house that definitely does not need improvement. I promise the house will look better in the future. I saw something move over there. Oh, look at that leather. 4 leather. No, I saw... Was that chicken? So I guess only pigs drop food, huh? Because if I look in the... if I look here, pigs drop pork chop, chickens drop wool, cows drop leather. Oh, did I say chickens drop? Sheep drop wool, cows drop leather, chickens drop feathers. And then zombies drop that. Creepers drop unknown. Guessing that's gunpowder. But for now, I'm just going to light up the outside a bit. And then once I get some string, maybe some arrows, we'll take on the Nether. And I don't know what to expect in the Nether. Thank you. Thank you. So nice being able to one-shot cows. I heard a noise. I have to say, the Nether update did a lot for the Nether in regular Minecraft, so I'm wondering what they've done in this update. Because if I'm correct, the adventure update was the update that added all the biomes we so love to explore. So therein lies the question, how is this better than adventure? Is the Nether changed? Only time will tell. I think I see some skeletons there. Let's go see if I can take them on. Ooh. Scary. Heal me up, come on. I drop bones. Bones only used for bone meal? I guess so. And there's some dyeable thing that I haven't found yet, which is interesting. Are you a wolf? Ooh. You shall be my friend. Yes. I'll give you a blue collar. Can I give you a blue collar? No, I can't dye a collar yet. Interesting. I need to keep an eye out for spiders. Oh, there's one there. That means... Oh, you drop arrows too, hell yeah. It's a spider. Oh, what do you have in your mouth? Wool. Interesting. Yeah. So lovely to just be able to not worry about dying the second I leave the house. Because that was a big part of early Minecraft. You know, you dig a hole the first time because you're bound to die. Oh, look at all those pigs. Free food. Excuse me, can I have that back? Take that. I think I have chainmail on over there. Oh, they both have chainmail. Are they zombies? Yeah, they're both zombies. Alright. Fight me, you scallywag. Hello. Ooh, spider. And a creeper. So I'm doing everything tonight. It was great. Let's go back. I'm sure we can dump some of this stuff back at the house. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, watch out. Alright. Maybe that's something I should put on my list. Mob farm. Seems like dispensers are in this version, so... Do pork chops only stack to 4? It's odd. Maybe it isn't. I don't know. What is this? I think I'll make the quiver if I can. It's no. Yes. Quiver. And then I can just pop, put the arrows in that. Is there a way to make arrows? Gold. Gold tipped arrows? I'll look into that. Now I got tons of pork chops. And I'll make a bucket. This can go in here. So the only thing I can use the chain links for is the chain link fence. Okay. That's a shame. Sulfur. So it's not gunpowder anymore, it's sulfur. What are you? So if I... Ding ding ding. Is it like a grenade or something? Explosive charge. Oh, is this for the gun? Or can I just like throw this? No, I can't throw it. It's probably for a gun. Alright. Well, the more you learn. Dumping all this stuff back in here. Might need to make another chest soon. But not now. Oh, I have 6 diamonds in this chest? Maybe if it was enough for a chest plate, but it's not. There you go. Got a bucket. Oh, my bucket. No, 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 no. Surprisingly good view from underwater. And back up we go. Oh, I have to make a flint and steel, that's right. Don't want to forget that. Fire starter, fire striker. It's not exactly steel, is it? I still want to know what a trommel is. There's so much I need to do, so much I need to learn. Okay, so that's some kind of cage. I think that needs iron. Let's just... Can I make a trommel? What are you? 8 iron mesh block. Interesting. And you... So I need logs and cobblestone. Thankfully, actually, let's use diamonds to make a diamond axe. Okay. Note to self. Close the door. Oh, my house. I picked up the chest at least, so... Just... I think this is the to... Oh shit, okay. Just... I want everything in my inventory. My beautiful house. Oh... Maybe it's time to repair before we go. So let's just fill in this hole a bit. Get some white planks. Get the stair blocks. Do I have cobblestone on me? I do not. Oh, thank you very much, sweetie. Cutie pie. I don't know what to call the dog. If anybody has a suggestion for what I should call the dog, let me know. Yeah, that audience feedback and the such. It shouldn't be too bad. Excuse me, can you move? There we go. And this all happened because I was trying to craft a bloody axe. Alright. I think I'll just place some torches for now. And I'm still gonna craft that axe. That's something I'm gonna do. Ain't nothing gonna stop me from crafting this axe. And we're gonna get some wood. Hopefully. Oh, look at that. Ain't she a beaut. I'll just hope those despawn. In the meantime, we're coming back here to make a trommel. So, if I remember seeing the recipe correctly, trommel. Do I still have my seat? I do. I'll place the trommel over here. Fuel? I have much to learn. Much to learn. Because if we look at trommeling here, oh, maybe just clear the search. I can use gravel in a trommel. Okay, so there's only 6 things I can put in a trommel, it seems. So gravel's one of them. So let's bust out what little gravel I have. Will this work? Yeah, it will. Okay. Let's go get some more gravel then. We found out a trommel, and we're gonna find it out some more. So I think the nether's gonna be postponed for a bit. In the meantime, it's Gravel Town, baby. And thanks to this diamond shovel, everything is so much easier. Look at that. Mining gravel has never been easier and better than adventure. But I'm sure it will be easier, because I don't know what else is there to be crafted or craft with. Because I saw some shapes that I couldn't even recognize in that crafting table in the guidebook. So there's a lot to learn still. But we got the trommel. I didn't know what a trommel was. Is a trommel a real thing? That's something for me to find out. But in the meantime, here I am, getting gravel. Maybe I should make more than one trommel. Oh, it's spitting things out. Oh my. Olivine. What is olivine? Ooh, you're fast. Do I have to place like a chest here? Yeah. I think I do. Alright. Cool. Olivine makes this. It's used to make olivine. Alright. No. This is cool. So now we have a nice, easy way to get flint, I guess. And the use for the trommel has been revealed. So we go trommeling. Yeah, look at that. We're missing all but that. I wonder what these other ones are. Oh, dirt. How many different variations of dirt are there? What recipes use dirt? Just trommeling, I guess. Curious. But no, this is good. We've learnt. And I think to cap off this episode, we'll make a nice dandy nether portal down at the bottom of the mine. Because what's better than making a nether portal? I'm sure there's lots of things better than making a nether portal because it's pretty boring. It's a lot of sitting around looking for diamonds to make the diamond pickaxe, and then look for the lava, and then you spend a while mining the obsidian. Or if you're a sweat, you can just, use your bucket to make it, but I'm not a sweat. I'm an average Joe. So we're just gonna light this up, and we're gonna get the magical number, magical total, 10. Without dying to lava. 9, 10. Did I go all out for the corners? Oh, it's only 4 more. It's pretty quick to mine obsidian. It takes ages with a normal diamond pickaxe. I do in Minecraft. And then we'll just... Yep. I don't even think I needed half of this. Look at that. douche. Here we are. Actually, I don't think we need much before going in. So let's take a look. There are 4 main types of rock. We found... Oh, great. Perfect. The best spawn. There's a bunch of weird rocks that I haven't seen before. So that's great. There's glowstone, there's the weird rocks. Lava's fallen from the ceiling. It's a wonderland. And I think I have just about enough rocks to get me over there. But I think I'll have to save that for the next episode. So thank you everybody for watching. If you still are. And I'll see you around for the next episode. Goodbye.